then slash API slash product. All these things are common, but if you go at the last word, you will see that it will not match with one API to another API. Okay, so because like if it match, then your request will be conflicted. Okay, so here in the sign up, this one is the endpoint, and this here we can see this is the post HTTP method, and here we can see this is the payload. So if I click on the try it out, here we can see. Okay, so as I said that here we have to give the email address, we have to give the name, and we have to give the password. So if I do this from Swagger, so here though I have used my all those emails, so let me use the text serve for you meeting@gmail.com. Then let me give the name. So just name is like mm, ecom buyer. Okay, test user. Let's say just give a name here, and then the password. So the password is like test 112233. Okay, so this is the information. Okay, let me make it a little bit zoom so that you guys can see. Okay, so this is the information just given, and then if I click on the execute, oh, okay, this user is already exist also. See, so oh, by the way, another one. So by this one also you can understand that by the same email, you cannot register multiple times. You can only use one email at once only. Okay, so every time, like when you will try to register with an email, you must have to give an unique email address. Okay, so let me see the email I can use. Right. Okay, let me use the track. I think track one another is also used. SEOTS for you. Yeah, the SEOTS for you @gmail.com, and you come by test user test 1 2 2 2 3 3. Okay, see, so here in the response body, so when I send this request, with this payload, basically behind the scene, it went to the server, and then it just tell the server that, hey, I have this information, and this is the endpoint that it want to register. Okay, so if the server check into the database that, okay, this information is basically is just a unique information, this email is not registered, so it just create the information into the database, and this is the response we are getting, and also this is the status code we are getting from the server. Okay, so in the response body here we can see that is OTP sent, this is a key, and in the value it's saying the true, so that means it's a boolean type, and you guys already know what is the boolean type now. Okay, so is true means that that OTP is sent to that email, and what is what email we have been used, this is the email we have been used, SEOTS4@gmail.com. Okay, so if I go to my email, let's see. Okay, so this is my email. So here if I go to the promotions, and this is the ecom verification, and here you can see that your verification code is 270108. Okay, this is the verification code, and this code also will expire within 5 minutes. Okay, if you'd like to unsubscribe and stop receiving this email, then just click here. So this is the code we have to use in another API to verify this user. Okay, any question? Okay, I think no. Okay, so now, okay, before I go here, if you want to try to sign in, let's try to do this, because we already signed up, right? We already signed up, we saw that we got the message that successful message, right? So if I try to sign in, email is SEOTS for you @gmail.com, and the password is test 112233. Then if I execute this, see, it's still saying that user not found. Okay, it's still saying that user not found. But if I show you from the database, let me show you this one also, so that you guys will see the big picture. So in the database, if I show you that email, then SEOTS for you @gmail.com, then find this. See, here we can see that this is already, we have this information, this email, then the OTP, that ID, all the information is into the database, because we already given this information into the, by using this sign up API. Okay, but when we are trying to sign in with the same email, I mean same information, we are not able to we are not able to log in with this email and password. Okay, because we got the token, but we didn't verify this account yet. Okay, so to do that, what you can do, there is another API. That API is called the verify user. Oh, sorry, not the verify user, sorry, the verify OTP. Okay, so in the verify OTP, what we have to give, we have to give the email address. The email address we have been used. Okay, that one is the SEOTS for you @gmail.com, and then the OTP. So the OTP will get from the email. Okay, I'm not sure I have expired the 5 minutes or not. Okay, let me execute this. Yeah, it's true, and here there is a token we got. Okay, so that means now this account is verified. Okay, now if I try to sign in, see, the information is already given. So if I click on the execute, invalid credential, SEOTS for @gmail.com. Oh, let me give a reload here. It should work. Try it out. SEOTS for @gmail.com. Then test 112233. Wait, showing the invalid credentials. Okay. So somehow it's showing me the invalid credential, but this account is verified right now. But I use the same email and password. Okay. So now what I can do, okay, I have also the solution for this. Here you can see that for the request, like for the sign up, we are fine. Like the prerequisite is, the precondition is that we need the what it is here, we need the like valid email and the valid name and password. Okay, and for the sign in, we need to first, we need to sign up. Obviously we need to sign up. Then also the email and password should be correct, and also in the user history you will be able to see that we also need some others, like we need to, what it calls, like we need to verify the account. Okay, so now what I can do, like the credential is not working, it's showing that. So this thing also we can do. So for that, what you can do, there is another API we have. That one is called the forgot password. So if we use the forgot password, we can change the password. Okay, so let's do this. So in the try it out, we can simply give the email. Here we need to pass the email. So the email is SEOTS for you @gmail.com. Okay, then if I execute this, email server error, SEOTS for you @gmail.com. Pratik, is this API we are getting the error?
No, why?
Somehow our email server is not working, maybe for only for this API, because we just worked on the what it calls the sign up one, and it sent the email successfully, but now it's giving the error.
Even the password was correct. So is it possible the sign-in API and the reset password API is somehow down or something?
Sorry, what's your question?
I said the email and the password which you put while signing up, everything was correct. And when you tried to sign in, the information was also correct. So is it possible the sign-in API and the reset password API is down?
No, no, no. Not down basically. We are getting the like invalid credential. Okay, let me try with another brand new email and password. Okay, give me 1 minute, please. Right. Uh, okay. This is my another one, another email address. So the email address is like 1122. Okay. Then let's execute this. So the OTP is sent through, and this is the email. Okay. So let me go to this email address to get the one-time password. So this is the one-time password. Just copy this, go to the Swagger, and then go to the verify OTP. Try it out. This is the OTP code, and let me give the email address. Okay, execute. Yeah, I got the token. Okay, so after getting the token, now @gmail.com. See, so it's working. Somehow that SEOTS for you @gmail.com, that account is maybe registered with different information before. Okay, and that time it didn't work, but here you can see when I use the brand new email address, this email address didn't use ever in this database. So here you can see we are getting a token here, and this token we need after login to this application. We need this token almost everywhere. Okay, because by this token it will check whenever I will send a request after login, whatever functionality, like if I want to order, if I want to like buy a product, okay, if I want to check a product, whatever I want to do, first of all it will check, it will authorize my information, that w- what is the information I have. Then after that it will allow me to execute the functionalities. Okay, so see, like for the sign up we have need to valid email and password. For the verify OTP we must need to sign up first. So this is the prerequisite or the precondition of for the verify OTP, the sign up one. See, this is how it connect with each other. Then for the login, we need to verify the OTP. We need to sign up. First, we need to sign up also. Then we need to verify the OTP. Then we can sign in also. Okay. So just only these three APIs. Do you have any question?
For how long is it good, the token?
This token is for like 24 hours.
Okay, and once we save it in Postman, does it stay there or it's gone within 24
It
hours?
will stay there, but it will be expired after 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
I have question.
Yes, go on.
What if you sign up, but you never verify your